Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Shall We Digital. Today I have a quick video tutorial for creating an animated arrow in PowerPoint that you can use in videos. I recently had this need, and I was disappointed at the lack of good, useful information online, whether on the web or YouTube. So, after some experimenting, I came up with two solutions, and I thought I'd share them for others who may have the same need. A quick note that I'm using the Microsoft 365 version of PowerPoint. I don't know if this will work with the home and student version or whatever other versions may exist. So with that out of the way, the first method I'll show you is simple and yields pretty good results, although it does have one con that I'll share in a bit. Okay, so I start with a blank PowerPoint presentation and delete the default placeholders. Now, on your Home tab in the Drawing group, add a line arrow to the canvas. Reposition and resize it as needed to be as long as you'll want the final product to be. If desired, change the weight of the arrow so it's as wide as you want it to be. Now go to the Animations tab. Click Add Animation, then More Entrance Effects. Choose the Stretch animation under Moderate. The default stretch animation has the shape animating horizontally, but we want it to stretch vertically. To do this, click Effect Options and choose From Bottom. Change the animation duration if desired. That's all there is to this method. I like it because it's simple and precise, but I don't like that the arrowhead changes shape during the animation. The second method of animating an arrow overcomes that, but has some issues of its own that I'll discuss a little later. We'll start again with a blank PowerPoint presentation and delete the placeholder shapes. Now add a rectangle, size it, and align it to the bottom of the canvas. Resize the top of the rectangle so it bleeds out the top of the screen. Next, add an arrow. Center the arrow to the rectangle and align it to the bottom of the canvas as well. Now we'll apply animation effects. Click the rectangle, then on the Animations tab, click Add Animation, then More Entrance Effects. Click Stretch under the Moderate category. As before, the default is to stretch horizontally. To change this, go to Effect Options and choose From Bottom. Now select your arrow, click Add Animation, More Exit Effects, Flyout. Since this is an exit animation, the default is for the object to exit off the bottom of the canvas. To change this, click Effect Options and pick To Top. If you preview the animation now, you'll notice that the rectangle and arrow animations occur independently, with the arrow animation running after the rectangle animation. To change this, select your arrow, then in the timing group, change the start value to With Previous. Change the animation duration now if you'd like. Be sure to set the same duration on both objects. I like this method because the arrowhead maintains a consistent size and shape throughout the animation. However, I don't like that I have to end the shapes bleeding off the canvas. Contrary to what I show in the video, you don't have to start the shapes bleeding off the canvas, but they do need to be aligned. The last step for either method you choose is to export your animation as a movie file. Choose Save As, browse to the folder where you want to save the file, change the Save As type to MPEG-4 video, MP4, and then click Save.